Bobcat Bonsai here, and today we are going to go over just wiring up some yearling red maples. So for fun, I bought one of those bonsai starter kits out of the mail, or not out of the mail, off of Amazon, and then it came through the mail, and it said that I had Japanese red maple seeds inside there. Well, I planted them and they sprouted, but they don't look like Japanese red maples to me. They look like just regular red maples. If you see otherwise, let me know, but I don't see how they would be anything different than that. So I guess we're just going to get into it and just start wiring them up. I trimmed off a couple leaves where I've had a problem with slugs this year, just getting in and climbing all over the stuff and eating it. So we may be trimming off a few more leaves, looking at some of the branches. The one's really growing back on itself right now. The other one's got a super cool trunk. So let's start out with that one. So we'll look down in here and notice that it's got a nice little trunk. It's got one nice solid root coming off here, one back here, one there, and another one coming off there. So it's already set pretty good as its little nabari. So we're gonna get this wired up, and I'm just moving you all over the place, and then we'll add some movement to it. So got nabari, now we need movement. So for this one, let me check this wire here. That's kind of what I figured. So I'm just going to snip the wire real quick, get this length I want. I'm going to stick it down beside the tree here. And as I'm going up, I want to avoid the little buds. There's a little bud right in there, so I'm going to actually pull that back. And we are in November and the leaves are still super green. I don't know what's going on. So everything that's actually like the big trees on my property have all started losing their leaves and everything already, but for some reason these guys, even though they're outside, are not losing much of anything. They just are continuing to grow and pretty much just do whatever they want. So I'm not putting the wire super tight, just in case for some reason it decides that it really wants to get some more movement out of it. But I'm going to just continue in this direction here with it. Don't worry, that wasn't a crack in the branch this time. That was a crack in the pot. The pot made a pop sound. So I'm going to take it that way, and I'm actually going to bring it forward just a bit, down. Then I'm going to begin to take it backwards, back up, and just pop it over that way just a little bit. So now I'm just going to trim a few little branches in here where they're touching each other, because now the wire is overlapping some of the branches as well. So get rid of that little guy right there. I mean, other than that little guy, I'm actually happy with the rest of it. So that's it for this one. All wired up. Looks nice and pretty. Let's get to the next one right here. So this one's it's starting to change a little bit. Let me take a look down inside this one. Okay, so this one, I have two solid roots coming from up high, and then two coming from a bit lower down in. So this one doesn't have as nice of a nabari running with it, but that's okay. And then I'm pretty sure we're going to be able to do the same wire again with this one. Let's check it real quick. Yeah, same wire will work fine. So I'm going to nip stick it down in, making sure not to damage any of the nice Nabari roots that are in there already. And then same thing as last time, just take it all the way around. And just keep dancing around the leaves. So this one, I'm gonna design more as a slanted tree. It's nothing super fancy, just a nice little slant on it. Let me see here. So it looks like, yes, the two solid roots are on this side. So I'm going to slant it this way, because since the two solid roots are on that one side, that's going to look like it's more of an anchoring point in my mind. So I'm just going to keep slanting it a little bit, and then pull the top back upright just a hair. And that's it for this one, just a slight slanted tree. Alright, so we've got our slant and our little S-curve. Let's check them out. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd appreciate if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends so that they can possibly enjoy this video as well. Even if they don't enjoy it, it would help me out if you share it, so that would be awesome. If you want to be notified every time I release a video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I said hit the thumbs up. Hit the bell notification and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.